Hi guys! I'm very glad that you're interested in learning Russian, and one of my followers asked me to make a video about Russian vowels. Actually, I was going to make a video about sound the most difficult vowel sound in Russian. But after this request, I decided to tell you about all vowel sounds. There are 10 vowel letters in Russian, but only 6 vowel sounds. You can see them here. I will tell you about all of them, and especially we will pay attention to sound of course. So, I will tell you about how to articulate these sounds, and then we'll do a little exercise. The first sound is A. 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 It is an open sound. When you are pronouncing it, your tongue should lie flat in your mouth. The lips are not rounded and can open your teeth a little bit. A. A. Okay, the most easiest words are mama, papa, mama, papa, tam, tam. Tam means there. Sound O. O. It requires lips to be rounded, and your tongue should be pulled backwards and a little bit upwards to your soft palate. O. 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 Dom. Кот. O. Dom. Кот. Quite a similar sound because of the articulation is U. U. It is the same like O, but you should extend your lips even more forward, and also they are rounded. U. U. Like in the word moon, luna, luna. Сук, сук, tooth, tooth, yeah, like tooth. U. Look, look, onion, look. Sound a is less open than a. When you say a, your tongue is touching your side teeth, low side teeth, and your lips are stretched. A. For example, ma'am, or это, этот. The next sound is interesting. It is sound E. So your lips should be stretched also. The tongue moves forward and its tip touches your lower teeth, and the front part of your tongue is close to the front part of the hard palate, and the tongue edges are attached to your side teeth. A difficult explanation, but in general it's similar to English sound E. Interesting. E. But it's closed. Yeah, closed sound. E. Игла. Или. Интересно. Ира. And now we are close to the most difficult vowel sound in Russian, U. So yeah, you all know that it is difficult to pronounce this sound because this sound doesn't exist in Latin languages. So yeah, we need actually to use other sounds to help you to pronounce this one, or to help you to learn how to pronounce this sound. So you can start with U sound, and then you need to stretch your lips like pronouncing E. So let's try. Or you can try it with the help of sound E. If you pronounce E at first, move your tongue backwards a little bit. E. E. Yeah, just move it backwards slightly. E. 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 Actually, it's difficult for me to pronounce it after E. For me, it's more easily to pronounce it after U. So I would like you to try this way. U. It's much more easy because your tongue is already in the correct position and you need just to stretch your lips. Let's practice this sound more closely. And we will do a special exercise. It can look funny, okay, but you need to train to pronounce this sound. So repeat after me. You also can see this exercise somewhere here or here, depending on the editing. So let's start. Му, мы, бу, бы, ну, ны. Ду, ды, ву, вы, ту, ты. Next line. Good job, by the way. Ми, мы, би, бы, ны, ни, ды, ди, вы, ви. Ты, ти. Okay, now 3 syllables. Ми, му, мы. Би, бу, бы. Ни, ну, ны. Ди, ду, ди. Ти, ту, ти. And just syllables with ы. Мы, бы, пы, вы, ны, ды, ты. Actually, мы and ты are Russian pronouns. Мы means we and ты means you. So you know at least 2 Russian pronouns now. I also would like to pay your attention to the fact that it's very important to distinguish E and I sounds because they can make words different. For example, мы, ми. Мы is we, me is a note, a musical note. Me. Also, I need to say that sound O is not always pronounced like O in words. O is O when it's stressed. Нота, вино, зонт. But when it's unstressed, it's pronounced like A. For example, подруга, подруга. Вода, вода. Собака, собака. Пока, пока. Тело, тело. Мое тело, мое дело. Let's move on to interesting vowels which create 2 sounds, and these are я, ё, ю, е. Yes, they create 2 vowels. Y, a, y, o, y, u, y, e. And basically they are the same as a, o, u, e. Just add sound y at the beginning, like in yogurt. Yogurt. But I also should say that it's not always like this. So they create 2 sounds when these letters are at the beginning of the words. For example, юла, яма, если, ёлка, ёлка. Or when these letters are after another vowels in the middle or at the end of the word. For example, он поет, моё, моё окно, моя юбка. One more thing that you should know is that yo is always stressed. It's always stressed sound in all the Russian words. For example, проем, твое, моё, ёж. In other cases, when these letters are after consonants, they just make the consonants before them softer. For example, мел, мел. It's not L, miel, yeah, not miel, but mel, mel, just L, mel, mel. Or мед, мед, ветка, ветка, тетя, тетя, and рюмка, рюмка. Okay, I think this is enough for a short video lesson. I hope that you like it. Actually, the topic of Russian pronunciation is really difficult, and there are lots of peculiarities in Russian pronunciation, also in consonants, sounds, and different reductions, assimilations, and so on. Actually, this material, this whole phonetic system and pronunciation system requires, I think, a separate course. Lessons may be short lessons, but there are really a lot of information. So if you like this video, and let me know if you want such a course or more videos about Russian pronunciation. I will try to create it for you, and thank you for your attention. I hope that you understood my explanations. I really tried to show you these moves of the tongue. You know, as a native speaker, I just pronounce these words and don't think about the position of the tongue or lips, so it can be difficult for explanation. So thank you guys. Bye!